Matt here, field engineer for Toyo Tires. Tires wear with use. The more they wear, the more they lose traction, and bald tires are very unsafe to drive on, especially in wet road conditions. So how does one check tire tread depth? There's a simple penny test. Take the penny, insert into the groove, and if you can't see the top of Lincoln's head, then you still have usable tread remaining. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, that means the tires are at 230 seconds and need replacement. Another indicator is marked on the sidewall of the tire that will show the location of the tread wear indicators. If the tire tread is flush with the indicator, that means the tires are also at 230 seconds and need replacement. Another technique is the Quater test. Insert head down. If Washington's head is not exposed, then there are still remaining usable tread. However, if the top of Washington's head becomes exposed, tires about 430 seconds, and it might be a good idea to start thinking about replacing the tires. So there you have it. 2 simple tests that you can do with a change in your pocket.